Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to create a branch in the remote repository or in GitHub repository and to manipulate it. So to start, we see here branch master. That means we are in the branch master. If we click on that, here it gives us all the branches that we have, and for the moment we have just one master, and to create a new one we need just to type it here. So let's name it, for example, let's name it example, and here it gives us the possibility to create branch example. If we click on it, it will be created, and we see here branch created, and he's already on it. We see that the check, it's an example. That means we are now in branch example. So let's create a file in this new branch. So we click on create new file. Let's name it example.txt, and here let's put a title, hello world, and that's it. Let's commit. And now the new file is created. Where here it is, example.me, in this new branch example. So now if we go back to the master branch, now we can see the example.txt that we just created, because it's not in the master branch but it's in the example branch. And now we see here that we have two branches, the master, which is by default, branch, and the example. So now if we go back to our website, we will find that he is in master, because it's the default branch, and we have two branches now. And to make that example.txt appear in branch master also, we need to merge between the two branches, or to pull one to another. So this is all for this video. See you soon.